This single mom turned her food truck into a six-figure business after getting fired from her job. Meet Rosa, a 33-year-old from El Paso who was barely making rent while raising two kids alone. One day, after getting let go from her diner job, she took her last paycheck, bought a rusted taco truck on Facebook Marketplace, and fixed it up using YouTube tutorials and borrowed tools. She named it Tia Rosa's and started parking outside construction sites with her abuela's salsa recipe. At first, it was slow, but a viral TikTok of her dancing while serving tacos changed everything. Orders exploded, the local news picked up her story, and now she's franchising her second truck. Rosa went from unemployed to unstoppable, and all it took was a little salsa and a lot of hustle. If you made it to the end, comment Taco Queen.